Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that we recently discovered and thought you'd love to hear about. We found the ARTEZA Pastel liquid chalk markers, which come in a set of 16 vibrant colors, and we've included the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these markers? The ARTEZA Pastel liquid chalk markers are water-based pens designed for a variety of surfaces, including chalkboards, glass, windows, and more. They offer a unique twist on traditional chalk by providing a smoother, more vibrant application that can be easily erased. This makes them perfect for anyone looking to express their creativity in a clean and colorful way. Let's talk about some of the standout features of these markers. First and foremost, they are crafted for durability. You won't have to worry about fraying or cracking over time. These markers are designed to withstand heavy use, ensuring that you get consistent performance every time you pick one up. Next, there's versatility. These markers aren't limited to just chalkboards. You can easily use them on whiteboards, bistro boards, car windows, mirrors, and even plastic surfaces. This opens up a whole world of artistic possibilities. Whether you're creating a beautiful sign for a special event or simply adding a pop of color to your home decor, these markers can do it all. One aspect that really stands out is that these markers are created by artists for artists. The team at ARTEZA is passionate about providing tools that inspire creativity. They believe that art should be an expression of your unique experiences, and these markers reflect that philosophy. They are designed to be accessible to everyone, making it easy for anyone to tap into their artistic side. Now, who are these markers suitable for? The short answer is everyone. Whether you're a professional artist, a teacher looking to engage your students, or a parent wanting to encourage creativity in your children, these markers are an excellent choice. They are also great for DIY enthusiasts, event planners, and small business owners who want to create eye-catching signage. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you're a teacher, you can use these markers for interactive lessons on blackboards or whiteboards, making your teaching materials more engaging. For parents, they're perfect for decorating windows during holidays or creating temporary art displays in your home. If you own a cafe or a small business, these markers can help you create beautiful menu boards or promotional signs that can be easily changed as needed. In addition to the markers, you also receive tweezers, labels, and stencils in the set. These additional tools enhance the overall experience, making it even easier to create stunning designs and organize your projects. The stencils are especially useful for those who may not feel confident in their freehand drawing skills. They provide a great way to achieve professional-looking results that can impress anyone. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that ARTEZA is committed to customer satisfaction. If you ever encounter any issues with their products, they're dedicated to making it right. This kind of support adds an extra layer of trust when you're making a purchase. In conclusion, the ARTEZA Pastel liquid chalk markers are not just markers, they are a versatile tool that can enhance creativity in multiple settings. Whether you're decorating, teaching, or simply expressing yourself, these markers provide an excellent solution for all your needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.